This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, Happy New Year to all.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you. So, hope you all remember what are the things we have done in Tally, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, creation of company, GST, purchase voucher, sales voucher, and securities. So, is there any doubts in any of the topic?
No, ma'am.
What about others?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so in Tally, we have done with the company creation, right? So then we have created we alter the company and delete the company. So what is a shortcut key to delete the company?
Alt D.
Alt plus D. Okay. So then we have done with the accounting masters. So in okay, so in accounting masters, we have done with currencies. So what is a shortcut key to create a euro currency? Can anyone know what is a shortcut key to create a euro currency?
Alt plus 0128.
Okay. Yeah, it's Alt plus 0128. And what is for pound?
Alt plus 156.
Pound is Alt plus 156. For yen currency, yen currency,
Alt plus 157.
so what is a shortcut key for dollar?
Shift plus 4.
Okay, so these are the shortcut keys to create our currencies in Tally. So you can just make a note down of these are the shortcut keys. Okay. Because this is important for the exam. Dollar and what is a shortcut key to create INR, Indian rupees? What is a shortcut key? Not getting. It's control plus 4. Okay. And next one we have done with the cost category and cost center. So by default cost category is what I told for by default cost category. Okay, that is a primary cost category and the cost centers are by default there is no cost centers. We have to create a cost centers. And ledgers. What are the by default ledgers? Tally will be created. Cash account and profit and loss account. Okay. And groups. So how many by default groups will be created in Tally?
28, ma'am.
So by default, yeah, 28. Out of 28, how many are primary?
15.
15 are primary and 13 are subgroups. So then we have done with the accounting vouchers. So what are the 4 types of accounting vouchers?
Contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher.
Yes. So what is the functional key for contra voucher? Sorry.
F4.
So for payment,
F5.
so payment is F5. Then receipt.
Receipt F6.
Yes.
And
Receipt is
journal
F6
F7.
and then
Journal
yes,
F7.
journal voucher is F7. Very good. So then we are done with the GST things. So what are the types of GST?
CGST, SGST, IGST.
So what is the full form of IGST?
Integrated goods services.
Yeah, so that is integrated GST. So for example, if I do the transaction between same state, which tax will applicable? The same state, which taxes will come here?
SGST.
SGST. Yes, GST and
CGST.
CGST and SGST.
yes. So if I do the transaction between different state,
CGST.
So now IGST will applicable. So what is mean by e-way bill? What is e-way bill?
Ma'am, even for the same state, it is CGST, SGST, even if like you have written the same thing, like transaction
Sorry,
between same state and
this is a different. So what is e-way bill?
It is a invoice value when it exceeds 50,000. Automatically it will come.
Okay. So e-way bill mainly is used for
transport.
transportation. Yes. So in other words, we can call it as a transport charges when the invoice value exceeds more than 50,000. E-way bill will applicable. Okay. Then we are done with purchase order, sales order, purchase voucher, sales voucher, stock journal voucher, POS. And in the last class, I have done with the securities, right? To protect our company by using the username and password and Tally Vault password, right? And we are given the password for the different operators in a company like a data entry, owner, Tally.net auditors, like this, right? Is there any doubts in this? Any doubts? Or you want me to repeat any of the concept? You can tell me. I'll explain once again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, now for example, I have created one company and now I have just given a username and password. To remove that username
Okay.
and password, how we need to come back with it, ma'am?
Okay. So go to company, alter. It will display company alteration screen.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
This conference will now be recorded.
Am I audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll take the concept of inventory specialization. So here we have an option here, use multiple price level. So this multiple price level we are using for the different price level for the different people. For example, so if I am running a manufacturing company, I'll give the rate for wholesaler, distributor, retailer, and customers for the different price. So this is the concept we are introducing in a Tally Prime. So to activate this one, okay, go to create, go to gateway of Tally, go to gateway of Tally. So this concept is price level and price list. Create and in invent. Okay, go to show more option and show inactive. You can see here, all of you are in the same screen. You should go to gateway of Tally, create, show more, show inactive, and you'll be getting these are the options: price levels, price list stock group, and price list stock category. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So double click on price levels. Double click on price level, and here it is giving the option as you need to enable the multiple price level feature for your company. Enable now, say yes. And I am creating the price levels are wholesaler, and one more is,
Can you repeat?
yeah, go to gateway of Tally, create,
Okay, ma'am.
click on show more, and click on show inactive.
Yes, ma'am. After that.
Yes, and after that you'll be getting the option as price level. Double click on that. Double click on price level.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Then enable yes. Okay, now wholesaler, and one more I'll create here, retailer. Wholesaler and retailer. Okay. Then we have an option here, price list stock group. Price list stock group, and the stock group name is all items. Okay. Got it, everyone? And the price level you have to select here, wholesaler. Applicable from, let it be 1st of April. So here you will be getting on the right side all the stock items what we did purchase and sales, right? Got it everyone? All the stock items on the right side. In my company it's not showing because that company got deleted, so that's why it is not showing anything here. Got it on the right side the list of items?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so in that select the stock item as classmate notebook. Select the stock item as classmate notebook. Okay.
How to get the screen?
This conference will now be recorded.
See, I am in the screen of price list. All of you are in the same screen.
Ma'am, you have not shared your screen.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Now can you able to
Yes,
see?
and now it's visible.
Okay. Now are all of you are in the same screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, classmate notebook, like 0 to 5 numbers. 0 to 5 numbers, if the wholesaler will purchase 35 rupees, discount is 3% I'll give here. 2% of discount. And if you purchase 5 to 10, 30 rupees, 2.5% discount. 10 and above, 25 rupees, 3% discount. So like this we have to give the rate price list for the wholesaler. Do it everyone. So this is a price level I'm creating for wholesaler.
Ma'am, I am in stock creation screen.
Stock creation screen. I think already it's been created, no? Classmate notebook. Don't go to stock item creation. Go back to gateway of tally.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll mention in notepad the procedure. Gateway of tally. Click on create. Click on show more. Click on show inactive. You'll get the option as price level. So double click on price level and you have to create it as wholesaler and retailer. After this, you have to click on price list of stock group. Price list stock group. Then you have to click on all items. The price level will be wholesaler, applicable 1st of April. Automatically it will display. Then you have to select the stock item as classmate notebook 0 to 5 numbers. So this is the rate you have to mention. So once you're done with, you have to save this one. Done, everyone? Because by using this price list I have to pass one entry, so only I'm telling. So if you're done with this one, you can just tell me. I'll move on for the next one. I've
Ma'am,
mentioned. Okay, do it. Okay. So all of you are in the same screen. Okay, I'll just save this one.
wait, ma'am.
Ah, what, ma? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now I'm creating for. So we have done with the price level for the wholesaler. Now I am creating for retailer. So then in a previous screen, if you save the entry, if you save that price level list, it will display that this screen all items. Now I am creating for retailer. Instead of wholesaler, we have to select here retailer and it will display the same screen. Again, I'll take classmate notebook itself. So I am giving different price for wholesaler and retailer. Now I'm just changing the price here. You can see if we purchase 0 to 5, 40 rupees, 2% discount, and 5 to 10, 35 rupees, 1.5% discount, 10 and above 30 rupees, 1% discount. So the price level you have to choose now retailer and the same classmate notebook itself. We are just changing the price and the discount here. Done, everyone? Okay. After this, save this one. Now, so we have activated price levels, and then we have activated the price list for stock group. In that we have created wholesaler and retailer. We assign the price levels also. Now I have to pass the entry. See, before passing the entry, we have to create a ledgers. The customer's ledgers we have to create. Create the ledgers for wholesaler and retailer. See, I'll create XYZ company for wholesaler. SK company for retailer. And they both will comes under debtors only. They both will comes under sundry debtors. So this is a normal ledger creation. I'll go to create ledger XYZ company. So he will comes under debtors. Okay, sundry debtors. And price level, you have to select here wholesaler.
Now we are not able to see the price level.
Okay, so go to F12 configuration, press F12, and in this you can see this option use price levels for party ledger. Maybe that option will be no, make it as yes. Under general details, I am showing the cursor here, use price level for party ledgers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make it as yes and save this one. Press Ctrl A, it will get saved. And after this, we have to give a GSTN number. So type the GSTN number. Save it. So same thing, will create one more.
Ma'am, could you wait?
Yeah. So you are in which screen?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, I actually had a network issue when you were doing the price level for wholesaler. Can you
Okay.
please just tell me the quantity and discount, ma'am?
Okay. So I'm just open that screen. You can see here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And the next thing, you have to create a ledgers, party ledger.
Yes, ma'am, I have created.
Okay, fine. All of you are created the party ledgers, wholesaler and
Yes,
retailer.
ma'am.
The same way I'm creating for retailer. Okay. So in previously, when we are doing the purchase voucher or when we are doing the sales voucher, we used to mention the price. But when I'm doing the voucher now, automatically it will display the price and the discount. See here, I'll go to voucher now. So now go to sales voucher. Before doing this transaction, go to sales voucher. I think everyone are in a sales voucher screen. I'll go to features. The first thing, we have to activate the discount column. Hope you remembered, I told you once I'm doing the discount column example. So go to company, F11 features. Last but one option, use discount column in invoices. Say yes for this option. To get this screen, company features.
Ma'am,
Click
could you repeat from Gateway of Tally?
which one, ma?
How to go to this screen?
This is not in gateway of Tally. Go to vouchers. Go to vouchers and you have to select sales. Sales voucher. In sales voucher, on the top, I'm showing the cursor here. On the top, you have a company. Click on company and features. Go to vouchers and you should be in a sales voucher. After that, in a company, we have a features are directly you can press F11. So in this features, here under inventory, use discount column in invoices. This option, you should say yes. Make yes this option. Got it, everyone? All of you are got it, or still you are in a confusion?
We got it, ma'am.
Got it? Okay, now party's account name is XYZ company. Select that one. And sales ledger is sales account. And here the price level you can see automatically it will display wholesaler. Because XYZ company debtors were created as a wholesaler, so that's why price level automatically it will display wholesaler. Now name of the item is classmate notebook. Quantity I'll take here 5. Automatically it will display 30 and 2.5%. Got it? Because this is a
Excuse
thing
me,
we have.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm not able to type anything in quantity, ma'am.
Okay. So select this classmate notebook and press Ctrl Enter. Select this classmate notebook and press Ctrl Enter.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, in units, what you have selected?
Numbers, ma'am.
Okay, save that one.
Now it's asking the list of tracking numbers, ma'am.
I think you're doing in sales order. Are you in a sales order or sales voucher?
Sales voucher only, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, press enter. Press enter now. Don't give any value there. Press enter.
I gave, ma'am, but
You
that
select.
is only showing the amount.
Did you got the go down option?
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, select the go down. In which go down the classmate notebook is there? Select the particular go down.
Ma'am, it's not showing anything, ma'am.
It's not showing anything.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See here, 5 numbers, 30 rupees and 2.5% automatically it will display because this is a value we specified. If I take here 10, you can see the changes here, 25 rupees and the 3% discount. Got it everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not coming for me.
You have to activate the discount column. Did you activate it?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it now?
No.
Okay, you're in which screen? The same screen only?
Yeah.
Have you given the wholesaler price list everything? The values? So have you given like this quantity, rate, discount?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not able to type the quantity only.
Okay. What it is showing, the tracked invoice number or what?
It's coming like not applicable.
Okay, press enter. You're able to select any Godon.
No, 'no. 'Ma'am. No, 'ma'am. 'No, 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 'ma'
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're editing in the accounting voucher creation screen only, na ma'am?
Yeah,
But
it's not
we,
editing. I just click on the sales. I'm doing in sales voucher itself. I think you people are
yeah,
getting POS invoice and the sales both, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to choose
But
sales only.
we chose on the sales, ma'am.
Hmm.
When we had been typed the classmate notebook and all,
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
can't do the quantity directly in this, ma'am. But
Yeah,
it
yeah.
shows the screen like the item allocation.
Yes, because we have done
Then
with
in,
the sales order, everything. So that's why what you have to do now, press not applicable twice, then it will come to go down part.
okay, ma'am.
Try press enter. You have to press enter twice, then it will come to go down.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay, you got it now.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how do we edit the price list, ma'am?
Okay. So the first thing to activate the price level, go to gateway of tally.
I have activated it, ma'am. I want to make some changes because I have done a mistake in it. So
Okay,
how
okay,
do I
fine.
alter it?
Okay, go to alter, gateway of tally alter.
Should I save this, ma'am?
No, 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 don't save this one. Go to alter,
Okay, ma'am.
and you got that inventory master price list stock group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, click on that one and do the changes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and what about others? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see here in a quantity I've taken 5 and I can see the rate and the discount is changing here. If I take here 15, you can see 25 rupees and the 3% discount. If I take like only one stock item, only one classmate notebook, you can see here 25 rupees, 3% discount. Sorry, 35 rupees and 2% discount. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we had given 10. Should we change it to 5 numbers?
No need, no need. Let it be 10 only.
Okay.
Okay. And give the CGST and SGST for this. So type the taxes CGST and SGST. Take it as on account. Don't take new reference. Take it as on account. Give the narration as being classmate notebook sold.
Ma'am, is it on account or new reference?
On account. Take it as on account. Because we are not purchasing on credit basis, so let it be in on account. Whenever we are purchasing on
Okay,
credit
ma'am.
basis, then only we have to take a new reference. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, save this entry. Okay. Now, the same thing we have to do it for retailer. So again, parties account name change SK Traders. Sales ledger is sales account, and you can see the price level. It will automatically it will display retailer. Now I'll take the same classmate notebook as item. Quantity I'll mention here 5. You can see 35 rupees 1.5% discount. If I take here 10, 30 rupees 1% discount.
Ma'am, how much should we take?
Take 5. And after the calculation line, CGST and SGST.
Ma'am, quantity we have to take 5, ma'am.
Take 5, 10. You're getting rate and discount automatically, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Take it as on account. Again, take it as on account.
Ma'am, same narration.
Yeah. Being classmate notebook sold retailer. Sold to retailer. Save it. So the next concept I'll take you actual and built quantities. So this is very easy. And here, so this one maybe we'll be using for the textile industry, clothing measuring. So in these cases, we'll be using actual and the built quantities. See, for example, I have taken here 150.50 meter is actually delivered, but it is made of 150 meters. So here, like for example, we have a rounding method. So in rounding method, there are 3 types here: up rounding, down rounding, and normal rounding. See, in up rounding, okay, the amount is the measurement is 150.50. So they will add another 50. They'll make it as 151. This is a up rounding. And in a down rounding, they will minus 0.50. they will make it as 150. In a normal rounding, what is the measurement they'll be given? The same thing we used to take here also. So this concept we call it as the actual and built quantities. So actual quantity is this one, 1.150.50 meters. But if I am using a up rounding, it will be 151. If I make a down rounding, it will be 150. So usually we'll take here normal rounding, that is 150.50. See here, so unit of measure we have to create here. Unit of measure we have to create here meter. And the stock category I'll take here textile, stock group is cloth, and stock item is polyester cloth. Okay, we'll create one by one. So I'll go to create option, unit. I think everyone are in the same screen. Go to gateway of tally, create unit. So in a simple unit itself, you have to create meter. Formal name is meter. Unit quantity code. I'll take here meters. And the number of decimal places you have to take here 2. I'll repeat. Gateway of tally, create units. All of you are on the same screen. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish creating of units.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after that, we have to create a stock category. So stock category, I'll create here textile. So create everyone stock category as a textile. Okay, save this one. Create stock category as a textile and save this one. And next one, we have to create a stock group. Stock group, I'll create it as a cloth. Comes under primary. So everyone has to create a stock group as cloth. Save it. Done, everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we didn't get the screen what you have, ma'am. Whatever before you had, we had that screen, ma'am. What we have to do in the configuration, ma'am?
Okay. Press F12. Press F12 and here provide GST details, make it as no, because these details we are going to give in a stock item, not in a stock group. That's why I make it as no.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So finish creation of stock group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now stock item. Now come to the stock item screen. So I'll create here polyester cloth. So this will comes under the group called cloth. Category is textile. Units is meter. So type the stock item name is polyester cloth. It comes under cloth. The category is textile and unit you have to choose here meter. Done till here. Okay, GST applicable and here specify details here. So HSN description I'll take here cloth. It is a taxable.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, save it. So now we have to create a party ledger. So I'm creating Raymond. He will be the centric creditors. And we have to give a GSTN number also. I'll go to gateway of tally, create ledger. Raymond's company. So he will comes under creditors. So here don't take it as price level here. Let it be not applicable. Okay, don't take any price level here. Give it as not applicable. This is a normal party ledger creation. We have to give a GSTN number. Give the GSTN number. Don't take pricing level. Let it be not applicable. Give the GSTN number and you have to save this. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save this one. Now I'll create the customer ledger, customer ABC. Take it as sundry debtors. Again, don't give the price level. Give GSTN number. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, save this one. Now go to vouchers. Come back to gateway of tally. Go to vouchers. And purchase voucher. So I'll take one example. Purchased 140 meter of polyester cloth at rupees 75 per meter from Raymond's company. Okay, so this is an example I have to pass here. Purchase 140 meter of polyester cloth at rupees 75 per meter from Raymond's company. Now, see here, we are in a purchase voucher screen. All of you are in purchase voucher screen, right? So go to gateway of tally, vouchers, purchase. You have to select purchase. After that, we have to activate some features. So go to company. I'm showing the cursor here. Go to company, click on features. All of you are in the company feature screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the last option under inventory, the last option, use separate actual and billed quantity columns in invoices. Make yes this option. And save. Press Ctrl A. All of you got the same screen in a quantity, actual and billed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have to pass the entry. Supplier invoice number. So I'll give the number here. And party's account name, Raymond's company. purchase ledger, purchase account. So party's account name is Raymond's company, purchase ledger is purchase account. So name of the item, I'll take here polyester cloth. I placed in godown 1. Actual is 140, billing also 140 meter. Rate I'll take here 75. All of you got it? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you are in the same screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got it, the two columns, actual and billed. So we purchased 140 meter and billed also 140 meters. And you can see that rate is 75 I've taken. Amount is 10,500. After the calculation line, you have to take CGST and SGST.
Ma'am, we should take on account.
Yeah, take it as on account only. Don't take new reference, take it as on account. Give the narration as being polyester cloth purchased. Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save this one. So we purchased 140 meters of polyester cloth. Now I have to sell that one. So if I want to do the sales, so we should go to sales voucher. That entry I'll be teaching in the next class. Okay, this is a continuation part will be there that I'm going to start in the next class. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.